shit.
So my wife decided to be brave today.
So this happened. Flew right up the stairs. And it's now in our upstairs room. Let's see if I can encourage him to leave. Come on, little birdie. No. Oh, shit. Okay. Now, out. Oh, no. You okay? He ran into the... Okay, goodness. Whew. Is he all right? He's like, holy crap, what happened?
What had happened was...
Well, you ran into the wall, dude. And then the window and all kinds of stuff. He's like, you can't see me. I'm not here. I hope he's okay. That was exciting.
That was awesome.
Shoo, fly away.
Just make sure you shut this door.
Fly away.
Leave him alone, babe. He's chilling out. You making him anxious.